Shenpaz welcomes you and thanks you for choosing the Sintra CS Rapid Sintering System. We are proud to have you join the Shenpaz family and are confident this system will serve you reliably for years to come. To ensure a smooth and safe installation, it is important to prepare the workspace before the unit arrives. Part 1. Preparing the clinic or lab. Before installing the Sintra CS, prepare the workspace in advance and verify that it meets the installation requirements. Power requirements. The system requires a 230-volt 16-amp outlet, located within 120 centimeters or 4 feet of the system's planned work surface. The outlet must be a dedicated socket on a direct isolated circuit, with no additional outlets or loads. If there is any doubt about any of the requirements, consult a certified electrician. The oven is designed to operate in relative humidity of 40 to 65%, and stable ambient temperature of 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, 65 to 75 Fahrenheit, maintained consistently over time. For ventilation, airflow, and exhaust, allow 10 to 20 centimeters, 4 to 8 inches, of free space on all sides of the unit, and at least 1 meter, 4 feet, of open space above it. The supporting surface of the Sintra system must be stable, leveled, and able to support a minimum of 45 kilograms, 100 pounds. It is also important to distant vibration-producing equipment or any vibration sources away from the system's vicinity. They may reduce the system's operation reliability and sintering quality. Following these guidelines will help ensure a smooth installation process and reliable operation of the Sintra CS system over time. Once the workspace has been prepared, the Sintra CS system can be unpackaged and installed. Part 2. Sintra CS installation. The system arrives on a wooden pallet, packaged in a reinforced cardboard box, secured using plastic straps and wrapped with protective nylon. With the help of a pallet jack, trolley, or a forklift, move the pallet as close as possible to the final installation location before unpacking. Remove the external nylon wrap first, followed by the plastic straps. Lift the cardboard box from the pallet. The box weighs 50 kilograms or 110 pounds and should be handled by 2 people. Use the 2 fabric lifting straps to lift and transfer the box. Position the box directly adjacent, or as close as possible, to the prepared working surface. Start opening the package from the top of the carton by removing the sealing tape and metal staples. Inside, you will find a protective top cover. Verify that it is oriented as shown. This will ensure the front side of the oven will face the correct way relative to the work surface once unpackaged. On top of the cover are the following items: the user manual, a power cable, a toolkit, and a small bag of zirconia pellets. Place these items on a surface before proceeding. Next, remove the protective top cover to reveal the oven. The system weighs 45 kilograms or 100 pounds and should not be lifted alone. Use assistance when lifting the system. Carefully lift the oven from the cardboard box and place it directly onto the prepared surface. Carefully remove the nylon wrap. Take care to not damage the device. Remove the small cardboard box packaged inside the oven and carefully set it aside. Select the supplied power cable. Connect it to the rear of the unit and plug it into the dedicated electrical outlet. Use the supplied cable only. Ensure both rear circuit switches are in the on position, then turn on the main power switch. The aluminum lift will lower automatically. Open the small cardboard box. In it, you will find the ceramic table and 2 inserts. When prompted on the display, place the ceramic table onto the base, followed by one of the inserts. Verify the table is sitting inside the aluminum rim of the lift. Do not press the OK before the assembly is performed completely. Only then press OK on the screen to complete the installation. The system will begin preheating to 450 degrees Celsius. Verify the standby temperature is reached. If for any reason the system does not reach the 450 degrees Celsius standby temperature, contact Shenpaz support for assistance. Congratulations! Your Sintra CS is now successfully installed and ready for use. For additional guidance, refer to the user manual or contact Shenpaz support.